Telescope 80mm Aperture 600mm Hexium style listing. If you want something a touch bigger than the tiny travel scopes, this 80mm per 600mm refractor is a sweet middle ground. Bigger aperture for more light, longer focal length for better detail on the Moon and Jupiter, and it usually ships with 2 eyepieces, a 3x palo, phone adapter, wireless remote and a carrying bag. The listing proudly wears Amazon's choice and is built as fully multi-coated with high transmission optics. That combination means brighter, crisper images for an entry-level price tier. The page emphasizes easy setup, no tools, an adjustable aluminum tripod, and a 5x24 finder to make star hopping less annoying. All handy when you're trying to show friends something quick outside your backyard. Amazon sometimes hides live pricing for guests, so the current price can vary depending on seller and prime deals, but the listing shows strong sales velocity, hundreds bought recently, which tells me many people find the kit convenient and value-packed. For anyone upgrading from a tiny inexpensive scope, expect noticeably better views of lunar surface detail and brighter planets. Just temper expectations on deep sky targets unless you pair it with a solid mount. Don't forget, we share buy links in the description box.